Okay, y'all, so I want to share something with you all because it's some psychology that's being used. And I'm not a psychologist by any means. That's not my major, but I can recognize when it's being used on me. So let me explain to you what I mean by that. So basically, during the winter months, when we're looking through our seed catalogs and we have our paper and we're doing garden planning, we are planning our garden for next season or next year. Well, the growers have already got a head start on us. They've been growing their stuff in the greenhouse all winter long. And so they've developed some beautiful colors with some lush blooms and some fullness. And so we go ahead, we start planting our seeds and getting ready. Okay, so what they do is they wait until a day that's in the 60s or the 70s. They look at the forecast, and so they start shipping out their little flowers to the garden centers. And again, they wait until it's a nice week. Like today's high was 73. And so they know people kind of have cabin fever. You've been cooped up all along. You're starting your seeds, but you're really ready to get a jump start and get outside and get to working in the soil. So when you walk through on that beautiful day, they have all this lushness, all this beautiful blooms and stuff. But I'm gonna tell y'all right now, and I'm putting this on video, they are not gonna lure me in this season. I'm not gonna accept it this season, but I will show you what I picked up. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Everyone, so the sand gnats are starting to surface up and they are getting ready for a bountiful season, but I did wanted to share with you what I picked up from the garden centers. Like I said, y'all, I cannot let them lure me in with this psychology, but I will explain to you why I picked up some of the things, not all of it, why I picked up some of the things that I did. So since I'm standing right in front of you, we will go ahead and we'll start with these Delphiniums here. Now, I'm not really sure what color this is showing for you on the camera, but what I can say in most of my years of gardening is a true blue flower is really hard to find. It may say blue on the tag, but it looks purple or it looks like a bluish lavender, but not really a true blue. So when I saw this Delphinium, and this seriously, I'm trying to get where I can focus. This is seriously like a true blue. This is not purple. This is not violet. This is none of that. This is a true blue color. I just knew I wanted to add this color in into my garden. So I picked up 3 of these. This is the Blue Diamonds Delphinium. It's an upright perennial and it grows. I'm gonna get the tag for you. About 16 to 24 inches in height and 10 to 12 inches in width. So we'll be planting these somewhere. Okay, so comment below and let me know if you've ever got some of the bulbs or the bare roots from Sam's Club. I actually picked these 2 varieties up from Sam's Club. So we have the Echinacea and Geranium, and this is the Johnson's Blue Geranium. See, when I say about blue, they say blue, but clearly you can see on the box it looks more like purple. But these are not like the regular geraniums that we see at the store. So I'm going to plant these in the front, and then the Echinacea, this is the green jewel. So we normally see the traditional purple/pink Echinacea. They also have like the sombrero variety that I've been seeing, but this is kind of like a lime green Echinacea. So I'll probably plant these in the front, and then we have the agapanthus. These grow about 3 feet tall, and they're like the traditional ones, the ones that I've always seen. I have seen some varieties that grow smaller where you can grow them in a pot, and I've seen them where they're white, and then I've seen some that actually are purple and white. But these are like the traditional ones, and you get like 5 in a pack, and these are both perennials. So this is where the psychology came in, y'all, okay? Now, I was planning on getting a rose bush, but not today. But I'll try to flash a picture up. You know how they have them all together, like in a grouping, and you just see beautiful blooms just popping up from way across the store? So that's what happened. And this is the, I'm gonna tell y'all what this is. This is the Blue Girl Rose. See, another blue name in it, but it's really not. What it does do, and I think I got one with a bloom starting. And when I pick out my flowers, y'all, I don't like the ones that have all of the blooms on there. I'll pick some that are either like starting to bud, or you can see the buds coming, but they're not like fully open. So if you can see right here, they have buds on them, and up there, and that's how I like to pick out my plants. I don't like the ones that have all bloomed. So this one, when I was looking at it, it starts off like a pink. It starts off like this, but then it kind of goes to like a lavender bluish color. And what I loved about them, I don't know if you could tell how big they are, but what I did love about them was the size of them. Now, I didn't have my measuring tape because I had my small purse with me, because I do go places with a measuring tape, but the blooms were really big, and they're a cutting rose also. And I was just looking at the ones that had bloom, like you literally, the stems are really thick, and you can, although they have thorns, like the ones that had bloomed, you can take that down and cut it, and it would just be so pretty, like a long stem rose. So y'all, again, I'm not going to be lured with this psychology. So today, this time was okay, but I'm not going to continue to do this season. Let me know in the comments also below if you've bought a few plants already to begin your spring gardening season, and if so, what have you bought? But as always, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you are not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.